Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got these results using Melanin Hair Care products, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm starting off on freshly washed blown out hair, and right now I'm parting my hair to the right with my rat tail comb, and I have a mirror down there, which is what I'll keep looking at. And right now I'm just going to part my hair and section it up so then I can begin twisting my hair. So today I will be using Melanin Hair Care products by the YouTuber Natural85. Her real name is Whitney White, and this cream is amazing. It contains shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, and capachu butter. It literally just melts into my hair, as you just saw there, and it's really hydrating with aloe vera, avocado, sweet almond oil, and argan oil. Now the oil is also really amazing. It has a pure blend, and it contains different types of oils like argan oil, baobab oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, sage oil, you know, all the oils that you really need to go and moisturize your hair. So right now I'm just flat twisting my hair, and when I get to the bottom part, I'm gonna split it into a 3-strand twist. So right now you can see me 3-strand twisting my hair, and then once I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna knot it and then continue to do that throughout my whole head. So that's it, and this is what my hair looks like. So right now, again, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and section off a piece of my hair, and I'm going to split it and take the cream, the oil, flat twist it, and knot the end. I also want to mention that a little bit goes a long way, so you don't really see me being really heavy-handed with this product, as it was kind of expensive, but I mean, like, a little bit does go a long way. So my hair is really moisturized right now with the little bit that I used. So now I'm at the front of my hair, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of the cream and some of the oil, and I'm going to flat twist my hair going back. So instead of going forward towards my hairline, I'm just going to go back towards the rest of the flat twist. So when I take it out, it'll just all come together and not be in front of my face. So this is what the back of my hair looks like, and I'll see you in the morning. So I'm back, and my hair is still moisturized, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the oil so I can unravel these twists, and I'm just going to take my time. It looks like I'm going fast, but that's just because the video is sped up. So as I'm taking out each twist, I'm wrapping it around each finger to make sure that the twist stays in the right direction. And look at that definition, like, look at those curls. It looks nice. So I'm just going to continue to take out the rest of my twists and get back to you once it's all done. So this is what my hair looks like. It's nice and flowy. Look at that definition. And I'm going to turn around so you guys can also see the back of my hair as well. So right now I'm just going to take my pick and fluff out my hair. I laid my edges off camera, and this is the result of my hair. Look, it's nice and fluffy. And thank you Natural85 for these products. They're amazing. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.